For example, General Torre, no? He's not covered by executive privilege unless the president talk to him directly. Ang linaw po kasi dito, nakalagay po dito, any person arrested or detained under custodial investigation shall be allowed visits by conferences or any member of his immediate family or any medical doctor or priest or religious minister chosen by him. Ma'am, may penalty po to. Ang penalty nito, any person who obstructs, prevents, or prohibits any lawyer, any member of the immediate family or person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation, or any medical doctor or priest or minister by his counsel from visiting and conferring privately chosen by him or by any member's immediate family with him, or from examining and treating him. So he was arrested and detained. So even if magdebate tayo na custodial investigation ba yun o hindi, no? Ang penalty is imprisonment of not less than 4 years nor more than 6 years and a fine of 4,000 pesos. So ang question ko, meron na bang report dito sa arrest at kinasuhan ba si General Torre? Nanunood kasi yung buong PNP, nanunood yung mga teachers ng constitutional law, mga estudyante, nanonood ang mga estudyante ng criminology. And di ba sabi nga nila, yung bata, hindi mo pwedeng turuan sa salita. Natututo yung bata sa gawa. So ganun din sa gobyerno natin. Pag sinabi nung mayor, no corruption, pero corrupt siya, ang dating sa mga department head, pwede mag-corrupt. Di ba? Ang papakinggan ng tao, hindi yung salita, yung gawa eh. So kung mali yung pagka-aresto, nangangamba ako na especially sa lugar na walang internet, walang cellphone, baka ito yung masunod eh. Humihingi sila ng counsel nila o doktor tapos hindi pagbibigyan, no?